Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AWS Amplify Auth in a React Native app. Complete guide step by step clearly. To restore AWS Amplify Auth in a React Native app, start by ensuring that you have the required dependencies installed. Open your terminal and navigate to your React Native project's root directory. First, install the AWS Amplify library if you haven't already. You can do this by running the command npm install AWS Amplify React Native. Once the installation is complete, configure AWS Amplify in your project. Create a new file in your project directory and name it awsexports.js. Copy the AWS configuration from your AWS Amplify console. Paste the configuration into the AWS exports.js file. In your main application file, import the Amplify library. Add the following line: import Amplify from AWS Amplify. Next, import your AWS exports.js configuration. Add the line import ausconfig from /AWS exports. Then, call amplify.configure and pass in the ausconfig. Now move to your authentication related screens. Identify where you need to integrate AWS Amplify Auth. Import Auth from AWS Amplify. In your authentication logic, utilize the Auth module to sign up, sign in, and sign out users. For signing users up, create a function that calls author signup with the user's information. For signing users in, create another function that calls author sign in with the username and password. Incorporate error handling in these functions to manage any authentication failures. If your app requires user sessions, use author current authenticated user to manage user sessions. Implement a method to log users out by calling author signout. Make sure to test all authentication flows in your React Native app. Monitor the console for any errors during your tests. Once all flows work seamlessly, you can begin refining the user experience. Consider adding loading indicators during authentication processes. Finally, review your code for any optimizations or improvements. Your AWS Amplify Auth setup in the React Native application is now complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.